Time to get those wheels in motion. So we can see what's happening, Eddie and I need a better vantage point. Ready, steady, and they're off. Eddie, what are we expecting to see here?
Well, what we've got is a very simple mock-up of a single lane and busy motorway. Everyone's going to try and drive the same speed, but driver behaviour is not perfect. Some people go a little bit faster, some people go a bit slower, and the traffic will start to bunch up.
As Eddie predicted, some of the drivers start to vary their speeds, and the distance between the cars changes. They begin to bunch up, and sure enough, a cluster of vehicles comes to a standstill. A phantom traffic jam has formed. When we speed up the footage, we can see this traffic jam starting to spread backwards around the circle. And once it starts, it just keeps going. So all it takes really then is a couple of people to brake or something and that sets it all off?
Sure, if there are enough cars on the road, something very minor can get magnified into a traffic jam.